Jotelo mawuok e mar Okak dwaro mondo piny owacho kaw okenge mager ne kembe ma itudo kod mbolea mabandia manous ne jopur. Gavana Eric Mutai ma Kericho kaachiel kod Jonathan B mar Uasin Gishu kod jod bura mathoth mawuok e gwenge go seyo malich mokadho ywaruok kod mienruok e wach masani neno e sekta mar pur. Gidwaro mondo duol makedo kod mibadhi kod okwach kich otim nonro. Jotelo go ne olose gwenge ma Kericho.
Bali wale watu wanataka kusabotage agenda na plan ya president kwa Kenya. President alijipanga na sababu moja tulipigia kura ni kwamba alisema atasaidia sana kukupisha mambo ya bei ya kusalisha vyakula. Lakini huyu mtu mwingine kwa sababu agenda yake ilikuwa ni mbaya, anatuletea fertilizer fake ambaye hatuhitaji kwa wakulima. So nataka kuhakikisha kwamba nisimame na viongozi wengine kwamba hatutakubali wewe uharibu agenda ya president.
We have done a lot of fertilizer distribution and we thank the president for that initiative of subsidized fertilizers. We only want to add our voices that those characters and those culprits that are trying to defeat the president's agenda by actually sneaking in fake fertilizers, we call for agencies to arrest them and charge them. Because when farmers are given fake fertilizers, that fake fertilizers can be even poisonous in nature. And that can result into unprecedented problems as we move forward. Because the food that we consume can have a big impact in our bodies. And these fake fertilizers, no one is sure about the poisonous level that is inside. And this can be genocide for our people. So anybody who plans genocide for our people should not be left unapprehended. They need to be arrested, they need to be charged in court, and we get good fertilizers for our people.
Bad piny owacho mochung' ne jiwarita